there, beautiful. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video. Right now, you'll find 80 plus new and latest braiding hairstyle ideas for ladies. You'll come to find braids with cornrow hairstyles for black women, amazing African braids, beautiful and gorgeous layered braids hairstyles, talking about two-step braids or even three-step braids. You'll find Fulani braids as well as tribal braids hairstyles, lots of amazing half-up, half-down, just like the layered braids hairstyles, lovely ponytail braids hairstyles, lemonade style braids, well-designed braids hairstyle ideas, straight back cornrow braids hairstyles, and so many others. Go right ahead and let us know how you feel about this video as you come to find very unique and amazing braided hairstyle looks and amazing ideas to give you very lovely and trendy looks all through. Subscribe to our channel as you come to find very lovely hairstyle looks always. Do well to check out and of course look through our previously uploaded videos. We always want the best look for you. Each and every time you come aboard watching our videos, you're sure to find something really helpful and amazing. Do well to subscribe, leave us a like. Again, leave us a like, it goes a long way to telling us definitely that this channel has been helpful for you, and of course will continuously be helpful for you. Again, do not skip any part of the video as you'll be missing out on important and helpful video picture ideas. Keep a date with us here always. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.